Over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you all things San Antonio, and in this video, I'll be taking you along as we explore downtown San Antonio on foot. We start off bright and early walking to the historic Menger Hotel. I'll show you inside, it's so gorgeous. We'll eat at the oldest restaurant in San Antonio for delicious lunch and walk around the outside of the Alamo. Join us on this tour of downtown and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, that was a huge surprise. Voodoo Doughnut was so exciting. I'm so happy. So that'll make my day. I'm gonna go over one more block before heading down. No, maybe not. I didn't really do my research on what was on these streets here. Just kind of wandering my way down to the Historic Menger Hotel, where I'm going to be hanging out for the day. So I'll show you that shortly. If I see anything else cool here on the streets, I'll be sure and show you. So just down the street from where I was is another access point to the Riverwalk. Looks like a nice beer garden downstairs. Of course, it's first thing in the morning. No, nothing's open right now. But this looks like a nice place to hang out and have a drink. Right here by the beautiful waterfalls. Gorgeous. There's some sort of wax museum here. I see a Donald Trump and a Joe Biden. Back of their heads. There's a wax museum, and there is the Alamo, and it is all under construction. The Alamo's behind the fence, under construction right now. You scared me. Good morning. This is it, the Menger Hotel. So there's a fair amount of homeless folks around here that have been approaching me right in this area, which can be expected in this part of downtown. Restaurant here. I would imagine that's closed. Let's go right into the restaurant. So now I just have to figure out how to get inside. The front doors appear to be locked.
Stand out here and wait for Starbucks.
Even the Starbucks isn't open yet. If the Starbucks isn't even open yet, this is a sleepy town. A lot of the coffee shops don't even open super early. Here we go. My coffee's in the way. Here we go. The historic Menger Hotel is the oldest continuously operating hotel west of the Mississippi. Located right next to the Alamo and built in 1859, this hotel has loads of history. The Menger Bar on the property was a popular hangout for President Roosevelt and his Rough Riders, and in 1859 they built the two-story 50-room hotel for their brewery guests. It was so popular that a 3-story addition was built soon after. This hotel was added to the National Registry of Historic Places in 1975. As of February 2023, the pool is closed for renovations. They claim to have the oldest restaurant here in San Antonio on Commerce Street. It's Shilo's. It looks like a popular place. You knew it was popular because there was a line of people waiting outside to eat. Shilo's started as a saloon in the 1900s in Beeville, Texas. The saloon moved to San Antonio in 1914. And in 1920, when Prohibition hit America, closing all saloons, Mama Schilo started serving some of her recipes a few years later, and it came in just in time. They turned it into a restaurant, and in 1942 it moved to its current location. Its current location on 424 East Commerce Street used to be a currency exchange bank. In fact, the original bank vault is now the walk-in cooler of the restaurant. Shilo's is over 100 years old and is the oldest operating restaurant in San Antonio. This restaurant had plenty to choose from on the menu. I was craving a Reuben, and it did not disappoint. All right, guys, I'm finishing up a day of work here at the Menger Hotel, and I'd like you to see the stunningly beautiful area over here on the side of the lobby. So stunning entrance here. Look at the 3 stories up with an incredibly beautiful roof. Look at the stained glass up there on the roof. I'm gonna head back through the lobby here at the Menger, walk back to the St. Anthony during a late afternoon here in January. We're gonna hit the town. There's a lot of hustle and bustle in the evenings and in the morning, and in the middle of the workday, it's pretty quiet. Now there's a lovely courtyard. Let's go check that out real quick. Now that it stopped raining. Go see what's out here in the courtyard. Oh, this is so lovely. This makes for a lovely place to sit and relax. Now, when we go through the lobby here at the Menger Hotel, first let me see if I'm pronouncing it right. If it's Menger or Menger, I'm going to ask the front desk. Hi. How do you pronounce the hotel?
Menger.
Menger.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. All right, it's Menger. Menger Hotel. I was saying it wrong. So as you head outside, the Alamo is right across the street, and the area is currently under construction. This is the side entrance. The entrance to the Alamo is basically right over here. There's a Haagen-Dazs. And here, the Crockett Hotel. The entry to the Menger is right over here, where those flags are. And here is the Alamo, 1836. So the Alamo is free to visit, but you do have to have a reservation. And when you do make timed reservations, your first selection is actually for a guided tour, which is about $40. But if you just want to visit the church, that is free. So you just have to scroll down a little further on the website. Look at this incredible tree behind me. Look at all those people coming together. That must be some sort of a tour group here. And here is, oh, they're coming in for a picture. I don't know what the group is, but here it is. Here is the Alamo. So you're always going to see a crowd out here in front of the Alamo. I got ourselves reservations at 4 o'clock tomorrow. We'll take the tour. I'm just walking by today. So if you just want to come by the outside and take a picture of the Alamo as part of the San Antonio Missions National Historical Park, you can come by at any time. And we're going to take a tour of the church tomorrow at 4. This beautiful statue stands tall in front of the Alamo here at Alamo Plaza. Got the Marriott in the distance, that beautiful statue right in front of Alamo Plaza, and the Alamo Welcome Center. I am on the corner of Houston and Alamo Street, and I'm headed back to the St. Anthony Hotel. More of the tour in San Antonio coming later.